See something? It's hidden. Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Appreciate all your support on my last video of me going around getting the posters from GameStop. I wasn't expecting so many of you guys to support that channel. There's a crap ton of comments, and I don't know how I'm going to choose just one of you guys to send the poster to. You guys are making this really hard for me to pick just one. But for today's video, I'm going to do a DIY project. I'm going to take an old coat hanger that I have, and I'm going to turn it into a little hidden safe for anything really. I'm gonna choose to put a gun in it for my front door. So we're gonna head into Lowe's and get all our supplies. Ma'am, do you need help? You look like you know what you're doing. Looks like they have gold anywhere. You shoot guns when the first thing your finger does is like not go on the trigger of anything, even if it's not really a gun. It's just so weird. It just naturally happens that way. That's what I'm going to use to build this. You don't have to, but I just want to make it easier for me. And since I do have one of these, well, I can use it. So grab some of these. Wood glue. And we need to glue the magnets. Epoxy. And we will see you at the office. Alright, that's the last of that. We're back at the office and I just laid everything out that I bought from Lowe's. Don't worry about what you can and can't see. I'm going to have a list of everything below in the description of what I used for this project. Jesus. Woo! Smells good. Alright, so here's the bottom, and then this is the top, so we're just gonna cut off the excess. So now we're taking the 1x3 and then we're going to cut a 45 into it so that we can create a box. It feels sketchy with my hand being so close to this saw. Got all of our cuts done, everything lined up pretty well. So now we're going to use the wood glue and then we're gonna go over it with the nail gun. Done. It's so clean. It looks so good so far. Okay, now let's go get this piece. And this is so that we can add our magnet stuck to it. So we can start making it slide. Oogie, oogie, oogie. No, I'm just kidding. Please don't. Take that out. We're gonna pretend, yes. Right, so I'm gonna line this up here so I only have to do one cut. I mean, I could do two, but I'm lazy, so I'm just gonna try to line it up the best I can here and then just mark on this side where I need to cut next. That was a piece I needed. All right, so I just discovered something, and I'm glad I discovered this before I made any permanent, what's the word I'm looking for? I'm having a brain fart. Before I do anything permanent, here, how about that? So yeah, when this slider is on top of this piece of wood here, and then I go to lay the front on top of it, it's not going to be flush with the box. So I have to pull this down some and cut a little piece of the frame out so that everything will be flush. Woo! Let's see if this works. Hell yeah, brother! You see this, Ben? I thought of this on the fly.
Nice job.
I'm smart. Screw that in and then screw the top piece on. I mean, that's pretty much done. Sweet! Right, let's see if this lines up. Okay, oh God. Yes! Oh my God, it looks so cool. Hell yeah, I'm actually proud of myself. Not gonna lie. It's pretty much done, holy shit. All right, cool. Now let's add the hooks. Looks straight to me. Awesome. Hell yeah. All right. Let's add the hooks for keys. Boom. All right, so now that we're done, we're gonna head to the house and hang it up. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you also found this super informative, and I hope you make one yourself. Let me know if you do in the comments below. Also, if you guys would like to see me make something else, let me know in the comments as well. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, guys. Hope you have a good one.